The 2006 CIS Men's Soccer Championship Finals were held from 9 to 12 November 2006 at the University of Alberta in Edmonton, Alberta. It will consist of 8 teams from the various conferences under the Canadian Interuniversity Sport. All Canadians. First team, 1-11, and second team, 12-22, with school and hometown. Note: flags indicate national team as defined under FIFA eligibility rules. Players may hold more than one non-FIFA nationality. Nationals. Along with host Alberta Golden Bears, the teams that qualified for the national finals are UNB Varsity Reds, Trinity Western Spartans, Montreal Carabins, Western Ontario Mustangs, St. Mary's Huskies, Toronto Varsity Blues and Laval Rouge et al.